Hello, my name is Kate Burton, and my father is Richard Burton. My father's love of In Parenthesis was something that lasted his whole life. He always had it by his bedside, and he always carried it with him whenever he traveled. A sweet story was that one time he was looking for it and he couldn't find it. And suddenly he was standing in his library in Switzerland and a book fell out of the bookshelf behind him. And when he turned around, it was In Parenthesis.
To groves always men come, both to their joys and their undoing. Come lightfoot in heart's ease and school free, walk on a leafy holiday with kindred and kind, come perplexedly with first loves, to tread the tangle frustrated, striking, bruising the green. Come on night's fall for ambuscade, find harbour with a remnant, share with the prescribed their unleavened cake. Come for sweet princes by malignant interest deprived, wait long for, with the broken men, nest with badger and the martin cat till such time as he come again, crying the waste for his chosen.
Or come in gathering nuts in May, or run wantwit in a shirt for the Queen's unreason. Beat boy's bush for robin and bobbin. Come with Merlin in his madness, for the pity of it, for the young men reaped like green barley, for the folly of it.